Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I did indeed sleep very well last night. Winning. Anyways, how's everyone doing today? Demonte, I see you. You are first. Well done. Proud of you. Here we go. Trying to sort out everything. Then we'll go through everything, do a quick top to bottom analysis. I will still be messing around on Ninja Trader today on the 5 second because oh my gosh. It's a lot. It is a lot, but there's a greater plan. Let's maybe put it that way. There's a greater plan. It's making the 1 minute look oh so slow. Hey Boom, what's up? How are we doing? I feel like I've yeah, it doesn't matter. I was gonna say I feel like I've forgotten to do something, but probably not. Boom, did you make up for everything? Let's do this. I was taken, yep, New York low already sorted. Asia low over here. Okay, Asia high is going there. Awesome. That was yesterday's midnight magnet, which did not attract a damn freaking thing. Let's have a look at the new daily, although I can already low-key see. Doesn't really look like there's a gap or anything. No, wait, I lie. There's a little gap. There's a little itty-bitty gap. It's still a gap, we still have a new daily. There's our new daily opening gap. Right there. No? No, what are we saying no to? Oh. What's up, Forex5? How's everyone? Hans, what's up? How are you? Yeah, the week's been going. Oh yeah. Sorry, I've just clocked that it's Wednesday. How is it Wednesday already? What happened to Monday and Tuesday? Where did the rest of the week go? I am so confused. Did I dye my hair? No? Why? Does it look darker or something? No? My hair's normal. To be fair, I've been wanting to put some purple in, but it's not even dye, it's just, I don't know what to call it, but I have this purple stuff where I don't have to ruin my hair. Used to put that on quite often. Maybe I should. Meh, just for fun. But, you know, everyone assumes that I'm having like a midlife crisis if I dye my hair, so let's not go there. Okay, new daily. Last thing. Midnight. Excuse me. Wakey wakey. Okay, sorted. Wait, let me go see what the Nasty Queen has done through the 9. What's up, Rolf? How we doing? It went down yesterday. Well, kind of. Good. Well, it went down during, I guess, London PM session. Or in between, I don't know. Pre-New York. Who cares what they think? That is true, Boom. So what, Boom? You think I should just go for it? Dye a little bit purple for funsies. Good morning, Neil. How are we doing? Hey, Piggy Trading. How's everyone? Trading creates time to get... Oh, like, my first 3 minutes of New York opened feels like a couple of hours. Oh, I haven't even done this. What's up, everyone? Ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hope you all are amazing. How's it going, Debs? How was the rest of the session for you? Do a quick top to bottom analysis, then we are ready to go. So, daily. I expect it to go a little bit lower. A little bit. it's gonna continue down, that's a whole other question, but I at least suspect it's gonna go a little bit lower today. Let's see though, I have suspected things before and it's never happened, so... You know, all-time highs are a little bit terrifying. 4 hour... Oh, holy Wi-Fi. Do it. Maybe I'll do it, Friday. I guess you'll only see it on Monday then. It takes effort and time and I'm lazy. No, maybe tonight. Back to there. Anyways, back down into there. Like I said, I wouldn't mind seeing this go a little bit lower. Is it going to though? Let's see. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart. A little bit of a zoom in. I had to change a character on the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Anyways, no. What's up, Barry? Let's see here at 989. Cool. 989. Awesome source, 15 minute. Nice, okay. About to tap into VWAP over here. 5 minute. We are kind of stuck on midnight and VWAP right now, so let's see where we end up going from there. If we're going to break below, if we're going to start pushing back up. But I mean, Asia, we've had a very slow trend back up to the buy side, but a very slow one. So we're just gonna have to keep on keeping on. Yeah, nuts. Saying yeah, nuts to this low-key looks nice. Oh, it could just spike a little bit higher. The only problem with this one. Oopsies, that was wrong. Oh, that would have been such a beautiful trade. Okay. This is actually quite a nice trade. Oh damn, this is quite a nice trade. I go short under VWAP. What's up, Dom? How's it going? I'm looking at this. What time is it? Oh, it's nearly open. Damn. Look at this. This is quite a nice trade. I don't know if it's gonna go that far back up though. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, let's see. Let's see. And is it in line? Oh, never mind. Tapped into the bob level. I take it back. Was a nice trade until I saw that. Shoot. Big moves come from slow, flat, and dull markets, not active ones. No, you're right. I didn't trade in New York. I got drunk yesterday. My friend's taking my trading seriously now. Nice, Debbie. There we go. What did the grandpa monster say to the grandkid monster after not seeing each other for a year? You. Seriously, Skeletor. Okay. Well, that's sorted, that's sorted, that's sorted. Let's now get this show on the road. Yeah, poop. And went and tapped into VWAP, which would low-key be my point of interest. Respect the bob levels. I mean, I trust them. There we go. No, I do too. Trust. I respect these bob levels like nobody's business. Sugar honey iced tea PG guidance activated. Listen, Neil, the problem is IRL. Sorry. You know, we're on YouTube. I guess we should use the lingo. No, that was very cringe. Anyways, in real life, I swear like a sailor. So, I do kind of keep myself PG-13 to, yeah, not do dumb things and say dumb things because I could. I do also find that it keeps my emotions in check. Here's the open. Let's see what we get. Not gonna take it because it is the London Open. Ooh, actually, do we even expect anything hectic because FOMC is later? Or is that why we might potentially get some hectic moves? Because of all the news that's coming later. What time is it coming? At like 8:30 a.m. EST, right?
That's what she said.
I missed open. You're right. Debbie's always here to make sure that I'm on it.
Okay, let's go.
FOMC mornings usually give decent moves. Okay, and then New York session after FOMC? Neil? I feel like I should know this, but yeah. Curiosity, your thoughts on it? See what it does. Like I said, it did reject off of this level as well, so now we're gonna just have a little watch, see. A long New York session takes your soul on FOMC. Takes your soul. That's what it is. It's just, it's terrifying. Got it. The meeting isn't until 2 p.m. Isn't that 2:30 p.m.? Well, okay, there's more happening at 2:30 p.m., but I do see there is something at 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. Yeah, there's a few things here. Oh wait, are you saying 2 p.m. EST time? South Africa time, that's 2 p.m. Your entry short is my zone 1.1. Oh, watch this work out perfectly. I might be sad. Let's see. I was keen on this. We have a decent shelf and over here. Volume imbalances, but there is also a hint that it could spike up a little bit further before continuation back down. Yes and yes. Okay. Decision is released at 2 p.m. Meeting held at 2:30. Got it. And okay. Hey Juicing, what's up? How are we doing? Good motto, everybody. Yes, I said good motto, like a fancy pants. New York session with volatile, so London might be start off before FOMC. Let's see what this does. I'm curious about this, and then you guys best believe I'm gonna be headed back to Ninja Trader and have a look at the 5-second chart. Guys, like I said, I was exhausted. I was so tired yesterday after trading 5-second chart. Wow. Hey Coach Carter, what's up? How are we doing? Coach Carter, how's the trades been, mother fluffer? Okay, let's see how this goes. This is gonna make me sad. My entry would have been at the 0.5, TP at 1.1. I just don't like entering on or near the open. Let it do what it's gotta do first, right? Sometimes the open can bring reversals. I know, the bob levels are insane. Did you see how during New York it just went bob to bob to bob to bob to bob? Here, not so much, which is showing that we do have low volume. Do you see how it's struggling to reach anything? Which does show a serious lack of volume happening over here. But even... So yesterday here was London Open, went up, bob level, rejected, back to the bob level, went back up, literally tapped into the bob level, rejected back down. straight into the next bob level, rejected back up, failed by the first presented.
Hi. Good morning.
What's up, LP? Rejected off the bob level again. This first presented was just being respected for a change. It hasn't been respecting the first presented really well. And then, yeah, and you can see here, went up and slowly and then failed. We then lost the volume. And it does show that we have indeed lost some volume over here, and this is why we do not trust shenanigans too early in the session. Wow. Let's see how it reacts here. Once this is either hit stop loss or not, then I'll go and check out the 5 seconds. Hey, my music, what futures am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Get me questioning my life there. Hey, minimally, I waited the bar level yesterday. I took short and moved my stop loss to break even too soon. Got stopped and then within minutes, 120 points. Oh! Minimally, I am so sorry. That freaking sucks. And so at the Bob level, it's one of the community members named Bob kind of came up with these levels, if you will. He did a bunch of research and these levels, so these shaded areas. See all of these, those are the Bob levels, and it's he low-key describes them as institutional levels. And it's where price tends to respond or react a little bit more than normal. Yeah. I can't explain them exactly, I just know that they work really well. Because obviously, yeah. I'm gonna stream my things. She'll spot to him. Oh, of course, Lance, you're amazing. Mad love. But I'm glad I took the same trade as I said. Hey, minimally, that's awesome. Bob level isn't a North American phrase. Here it's resistance level. It's not a resistance level, that's the thing. My music, it's not a resistance level. They are all equally spaced and they can keep going up into all-time highs and they are exactly the same. So it's not like a support and resistance level. No, like I said, Bob came up with it. How long ago did he come up with this? It was a while ago. I mean, even here, you can see how it went in, rejected off of it, and now we're getting a bit of a push. But again, the question is... yeah, the question is still... do we have enough volume for it to continue breaking back up, or is it just going to keep creating these little higher lows until we go all the way down? It should be resistance or support if it previously moved at those levels. Okay, but then how would you describe how you can have it all the way up even at all-time highs? Marcel, out of curiosity. Lance, do you increase your risk when trading New York Open, or do you reduce risk at any certain time of day? Not really. My risk is pretty much same recently. I'm keeping it at around $50 for now until I'm up to 49 again. Then it'll be around $100 again, and then back to normal when it's at 50. Hey, David. And now we go back down, question mark? No? No? Let's see. Hey, chicken banana. Sorry, you gotta be a member to have access to the memes. Aw, thanks, my music. I appreciate that. Previous memes actually support our system. Okay, but again, the question is with all-time highs. Like I said, this is at all-time highs. And they were rejecting off of these at all-time highs, where there was no movement, because obviously it's all-time highs. Do you understand the question? Or what I'm asking? What I'm saying, rather. Yep. Exactly. Ah, shoot. So it did. Respected the midnight magnet and these volume imbalances. Let's see if it goes all the way back down or not. I'm in short at 27292 and I like how the current 5-minute candle is showing. Bearish top wick. Nice, Chicken Banana. You're new here. What's up? How you doing? I've been struggling with knowing when to walk away or cut back risk. Always a new hurdle with... yeah, literally. Literally. I feel like you should be keeping it the same. I guess until maybe you're in drawdown then... or maybe you're having a bit of a losing streak or whatever the case may be. Then maybe reduce until you... found your step again, your stride again. Does that make sense? My TP is 241. Aw, mother fluffer. Damn, this would have been a good trade. Shoot. Oh well. It's okay. Level that works. Oh no, 100%, Debbie. No, yeah. I was saying because people are saying, oh, this is just support and resistance levels, but it's not. It's not really support and resistance. In a way, I guess it is, but it's not exactly. That's why I don't call them support and resistance levels. So tapped into VWAP there. Oh, I would have been break even now. Oh man. Poop. Oh well, it's fine. I did like, you guys saw. As I opened this, I said, oh, I did like this trade. Oh well, let's have a quick look at this. Shoot. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is the 5-second chart. This has a lot of gaps in it. There's a lot of gaps happening right now. I'm curious about this. I'm actually gonna place something here and see if it comes back to hit this or not. I do think if it comes up that high again though, that it might potentially not work out so well, but let me pop it there. Pop it here. Not as great there. Oh damn, the 5-second chart looks so slow during London. Good grief. So for those of you that were not here yesterday, Ninja Trader, 5-second chart. Because I want to start upping it a little bit and learning how to trade. 5-second chart because I'm trying to train my brain a little bit to be a little bit quicker with noticing things. Hence 5 seconds. Again, hiccups. But that is what this is. Wow, there's a lot of gaps going on right now. I'll be curious about this. This is just a demo. Yeah, this is literally a demo. So I'm doing this out of curiosity. Shoot, I may have missed this. Okay, I'm doing this out of curiosity. Let's have a look. Tradify introduced a way to sign up for 5 accounts all at once. I know, Lance, I've been telling people about it. I just don't think people listen, which is rude, but yeah. Tradify introduced the way to sign up for 5 accounts all at once. You can get 45% off if you do that as well, which is a freaking great discount. Ah, this would have been the tag in there. Pity, pity, pity. Okay, let me watch here. If it starts to go up there, it might not work out that well, but let us see. Going back up there. Sorry, I just have to do that. Because it sometimes has a moment. Okay, so that would have been a beautiful flipping PP. That's irritating. You've been saying it all month practically and on most streams, yeah? I'm showing that here in after hours trading. That was a pity. That was oh shoot, I'm now so used to trying to click that to get it to move. Oh man. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see, on to the next. If it gives me another... That would have been a banger trade. It's fine. Let us proceed. How did I find Bob's video? No, there were no videos. Bob's a member. A member of this community. He chatted to me over Discord. Yeah, that's it. There's no videos. I wish I had the confidence to copy trade. I need a little more consistency before I scale up. Hopefully we're not all delusional. Now you're good. Do you only trade futures? Yes, my music for now, yeah. Yes, I do. I have a Discord. Chicken banana. Like I said, you gotta be a member to have access to the memes. But once you're a member, then you do have access to the memes and you can do the streaming or the
That's what she said.
Use my smartwatch to monitor my heart rate to balance the fear greed factor. Coach, do you actually do that? That is amazing. I want to be able to scream. You also get this. Here we go. So, you know, when I was when I just started streaming and just started trading, I actually wanted to get myself a heart rate monitor, specifically for the purpose of any time I was in a trade, I used to panic so much that I can almost guarantee that my heart was going. I don't even know if panic is the right word. Yeah, now I'm pretty neutral about it, but yeah, it's still very interesting. My smartwatch would break during New York Open. That's hilarious. Okay. Ugh. Guys, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the 5 seconds are so slow today. Yep, I just said 5 seconds are so slow today. Let's watch how it reacts here. I'm leaving these up for curiosity's sake. This is not on the right spot. Okay, that one's correct. And I must really sort this out. Yeah, there we go. I thought so. I want to see if we get rejections off of these. Reject here. Okay. here as well. Low-key this spot. Thank you. Let's see. This is just demo. Just FYI, guys. This is just demo. Let's see. Oh my gosh, 10 points is a lot during... 10 points is so big! Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Sorry. Not funny. A little bit funny. Good grief, 10 points looks huge on the 5 seconds during London. Okay, I mean, it did just take out external liquidity. This could start pumping back up. I'm doing this to check out something, sorry. Oh, gosh. You fell asleep for 20 minutes. Nice. What's what? Boom. This is the 5-second shot on Ninja Trader. I'm having a very, very good giggle. Again, this is demo. This is me literally forward testing things. There's no money, no risk, no nothing with this. I'm testing things and making sure that I'm quick enough. Okay, just before everyone comes at me. Make me a member or whatever it's called. Chicken Banana, it's in the... That's a paid membership. Oversized. Okay, let's see what / how this does. So it does look like it might want to push up further, but leaving it alone. So I'm trying to make minis. See, on days like this, do I then start moving the stop loss slightly when it gets to a point? Maybe not a bad idea. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, the 5 seconds is a lot. It's a lot of movement all the time. Like I said, to be fair, if you have ADHD, this works quite well. To just, number one, make you tired. It really makes you focus. You know, that hyper focus. Which, yes, does make you tired, but I mean, it's nice because it makes you tired. It makes your brain tired. As a ADHD person, I can concur that it's quite nice to be tired. You were called the quote. Oh my gosh. Why did you change your name? Chicken Banana. Can't start in the 1 minute shot and you're on the 5 second. What's up, Sharpening Stone? How you doing? These days. Nah. Okay. Looks like we're going back up. It's a little bit more difficult to see these shelves. Here. That being said, see what happens when it takes this. Again, I'm testing things. Okay. If you trail in seconds, time frame with stop a winning trade can quickly turn into a losing one. It does make sense. Gosh, English. How these features force you to forget everything and lock in. It's like running to ping pong, literally. A Trump tweet literally did blow my funded account just recently. Coach Carter, that's... It's really, it's rude, actually, right? I feel like there's no other word for it. It is just rude. All of it. Oh, I see that I'm in a little bit of chop right now. That's fun. So out of curiosity, right? Who uses who uses a DOM? I'm genuinely curious about who uses a DOM. Ah, pity. I did think it was gonna come and take this out, and when I made these two, it does make sense. Okay. Now though. Gonna make one here for a long. Crap. Like I said, I'm figuring this out. I don't know if it's gonna reject as much as I think. If I do terribly, it makes a sense. Well, that's rude. Why? Okay, let's see here. Not adding to it. It's going against it. Just look for market makers to hit the bottom. Oh, the button. Hey, Timothy, what am I trading? This is NQ. Sorry, this is not even MNQ. This is NQ. On Ninja Trader, this is a demo. Actually, maybe go and have a quick look. Let's see, how is it looking on my funded? Let's see what the funded looks like. Okay, so I see it's still stuck in the bob level, so it's meh for me. This order was filled. Let's see if we're just gonna reject back down or if we're gonna go back up. Oh. So I'm trying to make sure that I notice things. Nope, didn't reach there. Interesting. What the heck did this tap into then? Oh. No? It's gonna be a lot of lines on this thing. No? Yes. Tapped into there. That one tapped into there. Uh-huh. Okay, so we are getting rejections off of there. Interesting. Does mean this is probably going to continue going further down though. That being said, that was quite a big spike. Again, guys, I'm literally learning on the 5 second and trying to see what I'm looking for on the 5 seconds, so bear with me. Who here trades seconds? Am I the only crazy person? Also, are we allowed to swear? Yeah, you can swear. I just won't swear to keep it, you know, PG-13 or whatever. But you are more than welcome to, you know, have at it. It's promising. Now go back up. I know you don't trade gold, but it's looking like a rock. Really? A kidney and maybe a liver to boot. Nope, I use a 15-second. Nice. How about miners trying prop firm accounts? I guess as long as they're doing it with consent from their parents and things, it's not a bad thing to be learning this. I mean, it's really not a bad thing to be learning this. It's nearly at 70%. I almost want to say. I'm gonna get risk here. It's okay, baby. Okay, that's close enough to go break even. Okay, so this is now a break-even trade. Wait, I must make it a proper break-even. So let's see if this goes break-even. It was close enough to like 75%. Chicken Banana, how old are you? Set your hotkeys before going once. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna go to 1 second. That might be pushing it. You're 15? I respect if you're able to control risk reward and be consistent. Hey Lam, how you doing? Using the command to the size of an entry, do not pull out. Snipe day trading is so much more of a gamble. Like, does a 1 minute chart ever disrespect your TA entirely? Yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay. So 1 loss, 1 win. Nice. Where did I want to do what now? I wanted... That one was full, that one was full. I wanted to see if we would get a rejection back off of this one. Okay. Let me set it. Set that like a chop. There we go. Okay, back to options. This is futures. What's up? Back to the main one. I'll hear if this has been tagged into or not. Sorry. Took me a minute to remember what I was doing. Oh, okay. I see we're not moving that much just yet. Okay, keep rejecting off of the 50% of this bob level. That would not have been an A+ setup for me. How are we looking time-wise? 3:30. Woo, where did the time go, guys? Timothy, you're trying to learn the candles? Same. Trying to pick up on... Oh, order filled. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I shrunk my Ninja Trader. Come here! See, order filled. I want to see a rejection off of there. Oh, I don't think we're going to get one. Let's see, I wanted a 10-point rejection. Again, low volume. Maybe 10 points aren't too big, which is wild. Wild to think that 10 points could be too big. Break even, I'm watching it now. Starts to reject hectically off here. Might just close in green. See. Come on. Goes past there. I'm watching. Let's see what we get. It's stalling a little bit here. Not bad, not bad. Oh. I'm actually going to move it here because I think regardless, if it went back up there, I would have closed. So let's see if it goes back up there, then I would have wanted to close anyways. But either way, it's a little bit in the green, so that's cool. Okay, cool. That was a good win. So that one, done. That one respected. The next one, I want to see if it respects this one. Nothing great that I'm wanting to see there. Let's see if that pulls. Okay, back to... Back to the main guy. Back to the funded. Okay, funded account. Let's see how this dude's looking. Okay, there's a possibility that I would have actually moved to break even here and been taken out of break even. Pity. Okay, it is in the bob level, so my main reason behind not taking this trade is purely for the fact that it's tapped into a bob level. I don't tend to trust the price action when it's in that bob level that well. It's a bit meh. Yeah, it's a tad bit meh for me. Not always worth it. Oh, goodness. Done. 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 Sorry. Fixing everything quick sticks. Oh, Silver's still alive. Modern requirement force retails to the sidelines. Oh, is Silver meh right now? That's interesting. What? Okay. For anyone that's just hopped on, sorry, I'm low-key in my own little world today, sorry.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Are you in a long or a short right now, Chicken Banana? Shorted. Oh, and it's just right by TP. Yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. I want to lose at 50k. Awesome. Like I said, don't forget that Tradeify is very much competing right now with Lucid, which is why they have their awesome specials. Oh my gosh, wait, the special actually ends tomorrow. I must remind people, the special actually ends tomorrow. If anyone is keeping an eye on that. The Tradeify 40% discount ends tomorrow. It can be up to 45% just BT dubs. Okay. But you don't like the funded rules, so I'm gonna keep on my Lucid. What part of the funded rules? I don't know, genuinely, sorry, genuinely out of curiosity, which part of the funded rules do you not like? I'm genuinely curious to find out what people do and don't like, so genuinely, what part of the funded rules from Tradeify do you not like? You're at 90% not passing. Translate? What do you mean? Like, okay, but what exactly about the funded rules? The evaluation. What do you mean? Translate? Wanna explain? I do genuinely want to hear, like, what you guys think about the different prop firms. You know, find out from proper people using them, not just the influencers and people. You know, does that make sense? Maybe Lucy has no daily loss limit. I don't mind though. She'll do maybe. I don't know. Because, I mean, they've updated a lot of the... Yeah, their funded rules tend to actually be quite chilled. That's why I'm curious about it. What got you interested in trading as a teenage? Apart from the obvious money. I have 2 teenage boys similar age and they're not interested in trading at all. Debbie, that's amazing. Sorry, I mean, not amazing. I don't like that it takes 3 days to pass an eval. And I really don't like how the payout frequency is, and I also hate that it's more expensive than the Lucid evals. Sorry for my spelling, that's okay. That makes me, I think that's why they came up with the Tradeify 3.0. I think. Because they're wanting to compete. I mean, the Tradeify 3.0, so it's no longer a subscription, so you don't have to pay monthly, it's a once-off payment, right? Yeah, I mean, the real-time dashboard with Journal, that most have that. Instant funded account activation, so there's no activation fee. I think that's quite nice. Personally, I think that's quite nice. New 25k growth and select accounts. I thought that was awesome. They used to only have 50k and above. Now, for like beginners that maybe don't have as much, 25k, that's pretty awesome. Yeah, I mean, there's a few new things that they did implement, so I'm not sure. I'll go and check that out a little bit further. All those funded things. ask you to be very active in trading so they get you on trade commissions. Take profit trader is the easiest rules, others are just built to not let you win. I like so TPT, but the intraday drawdown introduces. After passing a goal is a bit tricky. All those props have pros and cons, and the competition has been driving down costs and rules. So I guess, Lance, you actually kind of nailed it on the head. With regards to all the props have pros and cons to them, right? You just have to find one that you feel works best for you and your style of trading. You know, like Tradeify, if you are a scalper that's in and out within 5 seconds, it's not for you because they have, I think they're like 10-second rules. So if you have to be in a trade for more than 10 seconds. Obviously, they understand that sometimes market just does its own thing. But I guess if you're consistently in trades for less than 10 seconds, they start to be like, no. Whereas Violin, that is not an issue. You can be in less than 10-second trades, right? So I guess every single prop is going to have a pro and a con to it. It's just which one suits you and your style of trading best. And then you go with that one. That's why everyone asks, what's the best prop? I can't tell you. I don't know. Because what I would like doesn't necessarily mean you would like. It's the same with strategies. If I find a strategy that works for me because it just clicks and I like it and it works for who I am as an individual, awesome. Same goes for prop firms. So motivated, unlike rules and stuff, my teachers as well, just like interested probably into trading. Hopefully these futures props survive better than Forex back in the day. Consistency, 40%. I think about triangulation. MTH triangulation, I love it. Broke these springs, and on top of that, your platforms charge you percentage. Trade Addict, because, I mean, again, this is just my opinion. I know some people might not agree with this. Why not have the cushion? Why not have the cushion? If I'm having a losing streak and I lose $2,000, it's not coming out of my account. Right? I'm still fine. Hey, chicken banana, whoop whoop. Chicken banana, nice TP hit. Well done. Do any of these pros allow bots to trade with? Lon, I remember reading, shoot, was it Alpha? I was reading Alpha's rules. I haven't actually checked Tradeify and the others, but I was specifically reading Alpha. They don't allow bots to take the trade for you, but you can have bots there, but as long as you are actively putting the trade in, it's fine. I might have to double, no, I'm pretty, yeah. They're fine with the bots being there, but you have to actively take the trade. That was my understanding from the rules. Just need to buy the biggest account. You have the biggest cushion and small size. You're going to pass easily. Exactly. And life interaction in the chat. Q&A, adding value trading can become lonely. Oh, of course, Coach Carter. I got you guys. So Tradeify does, but you have to be the owner of the EAs and bots. Ah, thanks, Debbie. There we go. Like I said, I didn't check the others, but I know for a fact Alpha said you can use bots, but you have to actively place the trades. So your bots can't place the trades for you. Yes, that was Alpha's rules with regards to bots and things. I should have theoretically taken this one. Like I said, I just don't like the fact that it's in... Oh, it wouldn't have even got me. Just don't like the fact that it's right there. Okay, let's have a quick look at Ninja while it's still in this bob level. Maybe once we break below it, I can start looking for a trade on my funded. Until then, though... Sorry, I have to shrink it or else it's a pain in the butt. Sorry about that. Yeah. Ah, okay, we might not be going back down there. Oh, that would have been a goodie. Shoot. Check, this would have been a good trade here. Oh, F3. Check it that. That would have been a nice one. See if it goes there. I'll leave that up. Okay, we are definitely in cells, no doubt about that. I might actually move this here. To that one. That's low-key the range. Okay. Let's see how it reacts there. And see if we get a retest there. Ooh, with how this is dropping, I can imagine that the fund probably looks pretty good now. Hey, let's do this. Shoot. Okay. To Asia low down there and new daily opening gap. Okay, problem is, well, I say problem, not really a problem. See if it's gonna retest high enough. Oh. Okay, I just don't like where VWAP is, but I got my shot. I got my... Damn. Sorry, this is actually not the best trade. I feel like Apex allows bots, but I could be mistaken. I'm interested in designing a bot because my emotions are holding me back. A bot might be the answer. However, I traded my capital for years and did try prompt firm trading. Capital is the way to go once you're disciplined and profitable trader. Translate, I agree with you. Once you are disciplined and profitable. Before that, though, like once you're still figuring things out, once you're figuring out your discipline, once you're figuring out your trading style, you know, if you're a complete beginner, prop firms just make more sense. I don't know why people wouldn't, if that makes sense. You can get breach on the account and lose it. 2 points secured. Deal, there we go. Price on my keyboard right now. Here's a question that might rack your brain. Have you ever heard of divine leading through dreams? Sharpening. No, I haven't. Although didn't some? No, I don't think anyone has. Didn't someone say they dreamt about taking a short and they took a short and it was bad? I can't remember. Do you think that's a thing? Sharpening? Like you have a dream about a trade and it makes you mistake it? Hey Tyson, long time no see. How are you? Which ones, eh? But why not learn on demo account and not risk any money until you're ready? Going to proper means that you know you can lose, so you are not ready. Okay, let's maybe ask this. Has it ever happened to you? Maybe that's the next question. Has it ever happened to you? It's not an A+ setup. It's a bit of a bummer. How much would I be risking with this range? Let me see, I have time. I just don't like those two bottom wicks over there. Got a bunch of sell side back up to VWAP potentially. Zoom out, let's see. I mean, I took out all of this flipping sell side liquidity. Took that out, took out relative equal lows. Oh, it actually bounced off of those. This could be rejecting further up. Yeah. Translate, have you? Yeah. This is my funded account. Translate. The virtual guidance kind of thing. From July, $200 into 30k in a week. What? Hey Atlanta, what's up? No ways, Boom. Are you gonna take this trade? I am looking at it. I am considering it. The only thing is it could potentially jump a little bit higher. Might be rejecting off of there. Let's see how it acts here. Hey, Side, how you doing? You fly like the drop I witnessed since your life sign. Busy coding. Ooh, nice, Tyson. And how's the coding going? Got in at the fair value gap. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. Yeah, that was the only problem with this one is I thought, oh, the entry would be better down here, but it's fine then. Just didn't retrace high enough, but I had to stick with my rules, and my rules say you gotta do that. Oh, it's rejecting off of the volume imbalance on ES, by the way. Oh, huh, that's funny. Kind of where this trade was placed. Kind of where my other one would have been placed as well. Interesting. I want to see it go a little bit higher still. Maybe not. See how it reacts off of here. Big drop down there. Sorry guys, this is the 5-second chart, just by the way. So on the 5 seconds, I've had 2 wins, 1 loss. It is a 1-to-1R strategy, so obviously it means I'm only up $200. So obviously the 1 win and 1 loss kind of cancelled each other out. Oh, this is the big push. Your side always good, just wait, it's gonna happen. Let's see. I don't know, this could be the reversal. Do you know how often I've gotten in on the freaking reversal? Drives me freaking mental. The fact that it's stalling here means it could go back and mess around here a little bit before continuation back down again. Let's see. That's what it did yesterday. It got really close to Asia low and went up a little bit further, grabbed a little bit more liquidity before we got that sell-off. So that is potentially what might happen here. It's why I'm being a little bit more like, Let's see. And as you can see, when it fails. What's up, Custom Clothing Vegas? How you doing? So I just go to wait for it to happen. That's what I do all the time. People gather, kick me out. I should be sleeping, but I'm up watching candles. The story of our lives. I feel like it's gonna be a reversal. Price will reverse hopefully to your red line on TradingView, and it will drop. New Yorkers are greedy, it will drop. Londoners are teased. Rise and drop. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. It's like you judging. I'm drinking tea right now. I'm waiting for the 186-200 area to look for longs. That's the thing, ironically, you are not wrong. This here would be the better. What time are we looking at? Where are we at time-wise? We're nearly at the 4 a.m. candle as well. Sometimes that 4 a.m. candle can bring volume. Volume like no other. So let's see. Let's see if that is indeed what the 4 a.m. candle brings. I would low-key not hate taking this. Right, give it a few points to breathe. This feels like a greedy trade. Feels like a greedy trade. How much would I be risking with this trade? Could also have just a ridiculously tight stop loss. Like, you know, if it's gonna wake up. Chill dude, you're asking me if I backtest. Is that what you're asking me right now? Ultimately. No. I'm not trying to hold you. How much is my drawdown? So the max loss limit is... Oh, shoot. My order is filled on this side. Well, the 5-second one was filled. Let's see, it might go a little bit higher. Let's see if it rejects off. I'd like to see it reject off for a little bit. But like I said, we have kind of lost the volume here. Another rejection is happening here, which means we might reject back off over here. See how it reacts here. Yeah, it's a little bit of a rejection I was maybe thinking that it might create. More a solid rejection on the 5-second. Come on, keep going down. Let's see. I need it to go a little bit further. Actually, that's risk management, this dude. Could go a little bit higher, but I think if it passes a certain point, it's just gonna go all the way up. I'm getting used to the 5 seconds. Valid. That 5 seconds London time is definitely nothing compared to 5 seconds freaking New York, but you know. Like New York, this rejection may have actually worked out really well. Because it did reject off of it, just obviously not enough. Yep, there we go. Okay. But I did reduce. Holy guacamole. Oh, it's 4 a.m., isn't it? It's 4 a.m., isn't it? That is exactly what it is. 4 a.m. has just hit. You can freaking tell. I knew it. This 4 a.m. candle is a beast. Just so rude sometimes. Okay. 4 a.m. over here. Let's see how it closes. I don't like to get into trades when it's 4 a.m. Specifically for the reason of it could just wake up and go how against what you were thinking. Ow! It hit a nerve! It freaking hurt me. Ow. Okay. So let's see how it reacts here. We both, yeah, we know where I kind of set a trade here and TP, stop loss a little bit above. Let's see if it would have worked. Maybe it does. Maybe I could have missed out on a 4-hour trade, but it's fine. What's up, T-Sav? How we doing? Okay, would you like to come up with another few? Of course! Tyson, go on. So, no buys until daily open is retested. Oh, interesting! I mean, that's fair. Is this the daily open? Did I not mark it out? I did not. This is the new daily opening gap. Okay. Let's see what we get here. How's your range trading adventure? Atlanta, it's going. It's going. So there would have been entry. Let's see. I may just stop loss there here. Let's see if it just smashes that stop loss. Yeah, all in. 4 a.m. EST time, yeah. AJ, where else do I stream other than YouTube? I kind of have like, what's it called? Twitch? Is it Twitch? Twitch in the background and thingies. Hey Gok, what's up? Either drops now or 11:30 a.m. and your trade's active. Timothy, you're trying the 5 seconds, and what do you think? Like I said, I just started with the 5 seconds yesterday. Whoa. Mother fluffer. Good rejection off of there. Well, big rejection off of VWAP. It tapped into VWAP on ES and NQ at the same time. So let's see if it's gonna continue dropping or not. A little bit of a bigger wick, so I'm assuming that now we're gonna potentially keep pushing, but only one way to tell. Like I said, my stop loss would have been up there, would have been tagged in there down into green. I would have been feeling pretty nice right now, but if this thing starts pushing back up again, different story. Oh no, AJ, oh no. Sorry. What you're seeing, there's actually 2 YouTube streams going at the same time. There's a vertical and a horizontal. I think that's what you're seeing. Aw, Coach Carter, thank you. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Yeah. Let's grow this mamma jamma. What do you guys think of the 5-second trading? Out of curiosity. I'm shorting soon, waiting ES also to hit 7182. Let's say drop is coming. Is this the beginning of London session? No. London session happened at 3 a.m. EST time. This was London session open. This candle here. You can see I've marked it out. 4 a.m. so it's basically the new hourly candle. Ah, there we go, AJ. It's a good scalp, but I'd use footprint for that, yeah. Well then, 5-6, first time seeing this as a profitable. I'm figuring it out. I started with it yesterday. I was not profitable yesterday. I'm just doing a demo account, figuring out the 5-second. Just with the 1-to-1 hour strategy. See how it goes. Mother fluffer. Okay, let's say for funsies, I would have just gone to break even here. Okay, so let's see. Oh man. So for those that don't know, I actually had this set up, but because of the 4 a.m. open, wait, no, I had it there, hey? I had this trade set up. Sugar honey iced tea. Let's say I would have gone break even here. Of course it's gonna work out now. Well, that sucks. Biden hold any information tested. I got you, side. What firm am I trading? Chicken on. I'm currently actually with top 1 futures. It's just the one I got the eval on a while ago. It's the one I've been on for a while now. I'm funded on it. So this is the 1 minute. Sorry guys, sorry. I know I'm confusing you. This right here is the 1 minute. Sorry. This is the 1 minute. I'm grumpy about that. This is the 1 minute chart actually. I'm grumpy about the fact of my normal strategy I didn't like. So I almost changed it to this. If I'd done my normal, it would have ticked me out before going in the direction I would have wanted to see. That would have pissed me off to no end. The 5 second, do you want to see what the 5 second chart looks like? Oh, nice, Bang. And I'm assuming super happy. This is what the 5 second one looks like. This is on NinjaTrader. So it went up, just took out because of the 4 a.m. Now this could be a nice point of interest. Should still be fine. Let's see how this acts there, if it acts there. Let's see. Sorry, this is the 5 second chart. Does this now look like? Ooh, those are quite large wicks. That's interesting. Those are quite large. Still grumpy about that, but whatever. Let's see here. Let's see here now. I don't like these wicks at the bottom. Slowly climbing slightly. Give me a second. I'm just sitting here reading Atlanta's comment going, seriously? You think you are so funny. You. Listen here. Listen here.
Emotional damage.
So rude. So rude. Anyways, wow. Don't know what I did to Atlanta, but that's fine. Whatever. 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 Be like that. Be like that. So rude. Yeah, I see we're consolidating a little bit here right now. Level 60 to pin that comment. No! 2 hours close below 50 MA. Retest from bottom up. Classic. Reversal. Nice, okay. Oh, I'm still salty about this. Okay. Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. I should maybe start trusting my gut a little bit here. Now and then. But before FOMC, don't think the market waits and does nothing. Could be a bunch of people trying to get out of positions, right? That's also definitely a possibility. Okay, let's see now. 12. Okay, okay. Wi-Fi struggling a little bit. Let me ask you, are you not trying to buy at the bottom because you're waiting for confirmation? I don't do that buy at the bottom, sell at the top stuff. Atlanta, that's basically it. Why? Oh, it's stalling again here. Oh, I have a feeling this is gonna do some similar stuff. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Watch it now, prove me wrong. I want to say it's gonna do some similar stuff to yesterday where it kind of stalled, then went and took a bit more liquidity, and only then did it go to the sell side liquidity. Well, I'm going to take all the sell side liquidity. I wonder if it's gonna do that again today. Trying to see what you see with that. Oh, no, that's okay. That's okay, Atlanta. Yeah, I've just never been one that buys at the top and sells at the bottom, or vice versa. Manolo, how you doing? How you doing? How's it going? I wouldn't be surprised if we see one more spike up and then it starts dropping again, but with the I'm gonna try for a quick long with a tight 20-point stop loss. What's my name? My name's Maya. How's it going? Atlanta? You're trying to unlock my brain? Is that it? Liquidity sweep, and I think they'll use the FOMC to drive prices up. Even the 5 minute, even the 5 second is stalling a little bit now. Like, genuinely, the 5 second is starting to stall slightly. Let me show you. Yeah. 5 damn it. I missed some trades there. Shoot. Oh well. It's okay. We move on to the next. Have some obvious ones up there, but let's not always go for the obvious ones, right? The weekly candle on NQ shows exhaustion of trend. Okay, so sharpening, you believe this is going to be the start of the bearish move, right? AJ teasing me right now. Oh no. Like I said, even the 5 second is stalling. Lack of a better word, it's just stalling. Literally. Here we go. The heck is that line I drew there? No, oopsies, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, now we're getting some movement again. Promising. That was quick. I'm trying to learn to be quicker. Order submitted, order filled on the 5 second. Let's see what we get. Ooh, that went around midpoint. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's see, I'm gonna leave this one completely alone, see what we get. My dog looking around the house to see who's barking like that. Sorry, Neil. Oh, the garbage guys are here. It's a rubbish day. And Barry's like, I'm gonna go get them. I really think May is going to be a crazy volatile month. I mean, it's a good and bad thing for some people. Some people love the volatility. Oh dear. Oh, this is AMD. Straight up. Damn. Okay. On a 5 second AMD. There. A little bit here. Okay. See, I'm still figuring out the 5 second. Slowly but surely. This is why we're doing a demo to see. I had it. So I'm doing a lot of thinking to myself, thinking. A lot of thinking. Do I have a dog? Of course I have a dog. Well, I wouldn't call him a dog. He's more like my child. It doesn't look as clean during London. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of the 5 seconds during London. Let's wait. We'll have to also test this obviously again during New York and see what we get. How's it looking on the funded right now? Okay, I see we're still stalling slightly. I'm pulling a face because this is more like a B setup, but it looks quite nice. I tried 2 minute time frame, it's sharper than the 1 minute, still pretty quick. 5 seconds is not easy to trade in my opinion, yeah. That's not too much, they ever use the 5 second chart, that's hilarious. Not too afraid when it comes to pay attention to something fast moving at a 5 second chart. That makes sense, that makes sense. The 5 second almost low-key helps with my ADHD though. Which is quite nice. Calms it down slightly. Which I am aware is a very weird thing to say. But yeah, it definitely calms down the ADHD to a whole new level. I think you're going for that daily OG from Friday. While climbing, VIX slowly climbing. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we might be headed back up. Okay, well, there would have been the entry for that. So let's see. So, I'm now just looking at this going, wow, the 1 minute, why is it so slow? And then I just realized, oh no, it's actually not slow. It's just because I've been trading the freaking 5-second chart that this now looks slow. I seriously, I was like, what's wrong with the price action? What's happening? There's nothing wrong with it. No, you are bored. Why are you bored? Atlanta, what's up? Why are you pulling a face? Uh-oh. Well, I say uh-oh. Let's see. Gonna listen and see if it says order filled or not. Yeah, no, I'm not from England. I'm South African. It's a 5-second chart. Talk emoji face, that's valid. Actually used to get anxiety from trading after months of perfect losses while going through my learning curve. That makes sense. To be fair, I do. Oh, sorry, guys. That happens to me as well. Remember, it was so bad that there was a point where I got proper analysis paralysis. If it doesn't reject off of there, I don't want it. Shoot. This was the potential rejection area. Let's see if it rejects a little bit further down. It's better. I don't know if it's going to reject as far down as I want it to go though. Go a little bit better. And okay. Moved it. Let's see. Whoop. There's that bigger rejection on the 5-second. Come on, tap back into it. You've got it. Having it there. That's gone close enough. I am watching this. Yeah, okay. Stop filter, like we said. That would have been break even. Let's see if it goes down. I know that it was over there. So nothing gained, nothing lost from that one. Oh, it just didn't reject enough. Just a pity. Pity about that. Oh well. I'm figuring it out on the 5-second. Like maybe I should have moved a little bit further down. Who knows? Maybe I shouldn't have touched it. Where was... It was over here, hey? Let's see if it goes down there now, if we're going to keep going back up. Nah, I think we're going back up. I'm expecting another rejection around this level. Let's see if I'm wrong or right. But it did reject off of there, just not 10 points worth. This NQ teases me more than my girl. Okay, that would have definitely gone up to tap. Oh, nope. See, we got that little bit of rejection there. Didn't quite reject as much as I wanted to have seen it reject here. Go back down. Go back down. Oh, okay, well, I guess screw me then. Do the opposite of what I'm asking. That's sweet. That's not very nice of you, is it? NQ do be a diva. What's up, Microwave? How we doing? How's it going? Okay. Being quick on the 5 second. Oh. Oh dear. Trying to be quick with the risk management and de-risking as quick as possible. Five-second shot. Why? Let's see what we get here. Don't know if we're gonna get as much of a rejection as I would have liked to have seen. Oh, I lied. It did indeed reject. Okay. That's something. Only problem is it did kind of tag in here. Was looking at this here. Ah, not quite. Okay, when it tags in there. Never mind then. Maybe not. Ooh, that was close. And out? Not yet. But this is interesting. Oh, Mikuwabe, I wanted to ask, do you use the DOM on Ninja or not? Okay. Interesting. Oh, did reject there, did reject there. 10 points during London are not the best. Okay. Let's go back and check this. No, not really. So I'm curious about the DOM on Ninja. Oh, glad I listened to myself. That would have hurt my feelings. On third, well, hello. Oh, okay. I see we're having a discussion today about things. Cool. Slow down. Reason. But either stay from birth. Blah blah blah. The DOM is basically useless unless you pay for level 2 data. Oh, okay, make well. That makes sense. A pity. Oh well. I did kind of call this, thinking that it's gonna come mess around and then potentially go back down. Yes, I still wouldn't have hit stop loss. NQ hit though. Asia low not taken out. No, Asia low has not been taken out. It has also not tapped into the new daily opening gap yet. And Tony, what? That is so cool. How's Portugal treating you? One of my homelands. Only ever gone there like twice. One when I was like 2 years old, so I don't remember it, and the other one was, remember grade 5? How old was I in grade 5? Like 10? Very long ago is the answer to that. Sure, very long ago. Wow. I haven't traveled anywhere in nearly 10 years, guys. That is insane. I have not traveled anywhere in nearly 10 years. Downward good, but you can also used fake. Ah, interesting. Okay, May 4th will definitely be a red day. Love it. Winterism. Best place was Porto. Oh, I've gone to Porto before. Greece is a bit of a strange country. Why do you say that? A little bit. Green wine. Green wine. Green wine? Antonio, what the heck is green wine? Green? Green? Thank you, Sienna. I'm perfect opposite with you. Crew's been running wild though. No, Timothy, it's time to travel. My man, we need money to travel. Oh my gosh. That, wow. Wow. This probably would have taken me out by a spread before going back down. Wow. Last year I went on 4 holidays. This year I've only got 1 planned. I'm broke now. Good grief. Meanwhile, 4 holidays. Did you go like travel, or did you just do things? Shoot, if I hadn't have moved my stop loss, this actually would have been a winning trade on the 5 second. Pity. Oh well. Yeah, literally, if I hadn't have moved... Oh well. Moving on. On to the next. Makes no difference now. This is what we're doing the forward testing for, right? Oh, I see we're just going down, down, down now. Wow. Wow. That feels very disrespectful. This would have taken me out by the spread again and then gone back down. Hey, what do you mean this would have taken me out? It's good on ES though. Check. Oh, you're talking about the 5 seconds. Sorry. I thought you meant this one. ES would have been good. NQ would have taken me out first before dropping down to where I would wanted to see it go. Hey Pipstar, what's up? I took a short scalp, but I'm trading scared and cutting when it's too early. Ooh, Lance, why don't you just then have a trailing?
That's what she said.
Wow. That went terrible, but still cost about, whoa. Really felt heavy on that retracement up. I wish I could follow. No, it's okay, Lance, you'll get there. Trust, you'll get there. So who's had a winner, who's not? What's happening? If you think about it, I mean, it's moved more than it did yesterday. I will give it that. It has moved more than it did yesterday. But is it still... meh. It's fine. It's okay. It's still not really moving, is it? So, guys, who's had a whoop whoop? How's it looking? How's everyone going? Right? Are we happy right now? We sad right now. Thoughts? No, but I mean... That's still a whoop. Green is green. Green is green, so whoop whoop, well done. Oh, can you tell the 5 second has made me tired again? Wow, it's a lot of focus. I know it's going to take a while to build up the endurance, if you will, for the 5 second shots, but... There we go. It's a B setup, it's not an A plus setup. Would have most likely gone break even now on ES. If I'd taken the ES trade, it would have been a goodie. ES just has a lot more respect than NQ does. Watch it tease me for the 3rd time. AJ, you have been in this thing. That is so rude. Every day it does not stop. What? Who? Sorry, I'm kind of focused, but not focused. It's too expensive. Oh, what? Been in since 12:48 AM. Oh my gosh, AJ, what the heck? Is your goal Asia low? I have not lost in about a month and it has me questioning life. That's you and OTT and Bob. Yeah, there's a few people that are just doing really, really well recently, which is amazing. Like, seriously, that is flipping awesome. Really is teasing again. Okay, let's see. Wow. Just wow. Maybe so. I could just not get. I mean, that's valid. Need some kick-ass music to make money. Microwave, that was mean. No, yes, it is. I keep it up this mentality. Try to frame mine. Where for some reason works. I get that. I get that. Oh my gosh, guys! I nearly forgot. Do you know what we have to do? We have to do butterfly of the day. So, Microwave, do you want to pick? I'm choosing Microwave today. Microwave, you can pick a page number, not 69, please. Anyways, pick a page number. Let's do this. Because I knew you were gonna want to pick that. I flipping knew it. AJ 96. Oh. You guys are too much. I hope you know that. You guys are hilarious. So, AJ says 96. Mikuave, are you agreeing? Oh, 67. Okay. Mikuave said 67. So we'll go with 67. 67. Stupid. For all the Gen Z out there. Okay. Oh, it's another brown. Okay, but it's cool. It's cool. It looks nearly exactly the same as the one yesterday, but still, like, yeah, no one knows. I think that's the annoying thing. No one knows. Okay, so this is the Mattel Brown Butterfly. That's not it. That's a Commodore. I can tell you that much free. That is... Are they on crack cocaine? They're saying this is... Wow, you really can't trust Google anymore. This is definitely not... That it's called like a garden Commodore. This is what this butterfly is. I know that much. This is it. Oh. Got an order filled notification. Oh well, let's see what happens. Got one way to keep hands off, focus on butterflies. This is it. This is actually the butterfly. Sorry, I'm getting really passionate about the fact that they're giving us the wrong bloody butterfly. So, Nattel Brown is a wingspan of 34 to 38 millimeters. Okay. Geographically distinct, cool. So distribution is widespread in Savannah, nominate from Northern Cape and north through Northwest Province and Gauteng, the north foothills of Magaliesburg near Rustenburg and Piedmont River, north of Soutpansbach, which is a Limpopo province, and south to hills around Polokwane in Limpopo province. Awesome. Habitat is rocky ledges, hillsides, and that's it. Now, the flight period is single extended brood October to May, peak midsummer. So its Latin name is Coniropsis natali. That's it. That's the butterfly of the day. I'm still grumpy at the fact that they put the wrong flipping butterfly on there, but whatever. This is it with the orange and the little circle thingy, my bobby. Anyways, there we go. Gotta make it like a bingo. Wait, what? Let's have a look back here. Sorry, I just heard stop/order cancelled. I'm assuming. Ah, was a loss. Oh, it did reject off of it though. Pity, just not as much as I would have wanted to have seen it reject. Shall we now be going this way? I feel like the cells are still in place, but let's do this. I'm not doing a very good job at this, am I? A little bit down. I was green. Maybe I stopped focusing. Yeah, it's also possible. It is me. Focus does sometimes lack. Oh my gosh, yep, that would not have worked at all. This is giving choppy vibes. I'm kind of disappointed with my number choice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry, I'll give you another chance during New York McWava. How about that? Think about it hard, think about a good number, and let's do it. Hey Poor and Hungry, what's up? How are we doing? I hate everything. Little Commodore was a play. Have I ever gone to Greece? I've never gone to Greece before. Gotta make it like a bingo. A mini bingo set. Wow. Not bingo sayings, no, not really. I've played like music bingo and things like that. Why can't I choose? We can get there one at a time. Normally I don't actually let people choose, but Boom chose yesterday, so I thought actually it's quite nice to let you guys pick a number. Okay, this is low-key a tad bit choppy. What's up, Manolo? Can I help you, sir? You chose yesterday. No, you tried to choose yesterday. I went with another number. Remember? Because you were asking for 69 and I went nah. So I went with who? Someone gave a different number, so I went with that number. Right, Mickey, you're saying short. What's up, Cosmic? How are we doing? To anyone that did just hop on, how are we doing? How's it going?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
No, you did 69, but no, I promise I didn't. Because 69 was too close to Boom's one. So I went with the, I think it was like 150. Someone picked 150. Yeah, Cosmic, I'm good. I'm good. Can't complain. Go back to the 5 seconds. Let's see, I've set this one up for the shelf. Let's see if we get another bit of a rejection, though I am expecting potentially. Ooh, or to reject a bit more off of here. Let's see, like I said, slowly figuring this one out a little bit more. That's too much in the way there. I'm forward testing this. Not doing the best job, not gonna lie, but that's okay. It's why we're forward testing it. Okay, oopsie daisies, my bad. And close would be nice to see a bit of a rejection off of here. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. A little bit too late. There was a rejection off of there. Let's see, we didn't quite take the highs there, did we? Is that 2 mouse? What do you mean? Oh, what? Why is there a glitch in the matrix? So my screen, there's only 1 mouse pointer. On the horizontal stream, there's only 1 mouse. On the vertical stream, for some reason, I got 2. Why? Why do I have 2 right now? What is happening? Why is there a glitch? Woo! Fix it! I love that worked. No, for a second it looked like it did because my mouse was there. Okay, let's see. Order filled. Now hands off. Let's see. Oh. Nope, not doing the bestest job right now. Or a better entry would actually be down here. Basically right by where the stop is. See a little bit more rejection. If not, I must maybe call it early. Yeah, it's not quite making 10 points today. Damn, I thought it was underfunded. Wait, okay, wait, I'll have a look now. Mikwabe? Minimally? No, this is also in cube, just the 5-second shot. Sorry, when it gets like 75%, I move to break even. Oh, we stalled there. Okay. Yeah, I closed a little bit early because we stalled there. Right by TP. Ah, pity about that. Oh well. F3. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna enter a buy here as well. Let's see. Yeah, literally my TP was just above, so I closed just before it started messing around. I might go back up and take it. There we go. But I am trying to be better at exiting, you know. Exiting quicker and. Okay, never mind. That was a decent trade. Don't want too many. Don't need too much chaos going on right now, so that's fine. Like to see another rejection off of here. How many points was that profit? 10 points, minimally. Okay, that was decent. That was not bad, right? That was not bad. How's Mr. Funded looking? Oh, okay, cool. I see we're still messing around. Never mind. Aw, man. I was keen on putting one here at this level. Oh my gosh, my tummy's making noise. Oh, thank you, Manolo. I appreciate it. Then would have gone down. That probably would have been 10 points. Oh well. Let's see. I have my little buy limit there. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get something else decent-ish. Potentially go back into here. I don't think they're gonna like it if I take a sell and a buy. Oh, thanks for the sub, Adrian. We're getting close to 17.5 subscribers. That's cool, that's cool. Yeah, only 10 points on the... Well. So this is the 1 minute chart. You can see I'm expecting it to bounce a little bit here. Oh, I still have this up. Didn't quite retest into there yet. I'm expecting a little bit of a bounce to happen there as well. Bounce there. Interesting. What even is this market? Well, I'm still looking forward to, well, New York after FOMC. No one's gonna trade the news, right? Is anyone gonna trade the news? Hey, Coach Carter, how was the run? Isn't it trading orders better? I'll look at it. I think it, well, Atlanta, obviously this isn't live, this is just a demo account, so I'm not sure. Mikuabe? One tick chart, I want to break your brain. Okay, wait, let me read what you said again. I'm trading the news without fail. Debbie, you crazy. I feel like that's a lot. Okay, so go to time frames. I'm gonna have to find all of that. Okay, I'll find all of it. Let me copy paste that. Mikuabe. Let me get my notes. You want to break my brain. Also, that's rude. Wanting to break my brain. This. Go. Okay. No, in your chart. Like right here. You're talking about properties here. Wait, wait. What did you say? At the top corner, click time frames. Okay, I'll figure it out later. Because I just want to do then like the 5 seconds and configure that. Oh, here we go. Configure. I'm scared. So you're saying tick? You're making me scared. I'm really scared to do this. And which one? $100. Mikuabe. Being hot and chill is a boost. Apply. I'm scared. Oh, it's having a panic attack. Nothing happened. Is something supposed to happen? Oh, add? Why is nothing happening? Atlanta, it is quite entertaining. Mikuabe, is something supposed to happen here? Me and Mikuabe are messing around on live right now. Oh, what's the chart looking like? We're gonna do this and this. Let's see. Oh, okay. Not much, still consolidating. Cool. Back we go. Oh, nice. Oh, thanks. Oh, you can barely see it. There we go. Thanks. Yeah, my tattoo. Mikuabe. I was waiting for my brain to be broken, but nothing's happening. Nope. Still nothing. Microwave. Why is there two? Why is there two little... And now it's gone. I'm so good. Oh, no, now it's back. I have no clue why I keep showing two. Wow, that's weird. That's weird as heck why I keep showing that I have two little mouse pad thingy-mabobbies on this. Oh. Rude. Will you be calling me a weenie? I added. I put that. Yeah. Hey, Picosa, what's up? We're having debates over here. Don't mind me. Tick. And... But it has a 1 there. Okay. What am I doing wrong? What's up, Hannah? How are we doing? I want to press a flag, go back to time frames and click 1. Okay. Oh, no, but this is daily, monthly. Make it make sense. Oh, tick 1. This? What's happening? Where did it go? Where's the chart gone? Where's my things? You've broken my chart! Wait, where's it all gone? No. Hello? Okay, so I see the chart wants to be here. It's just broken. That's not good. I'm assuming it's not supposed to do this. Press the F and arrow. No? Zoom out. Oh, no, that was the wrong way. Oh, nothing here. See, you can see the chart was supposed to be there. It's just not there. No, shush, go away. Oh, in the corner of the chart. What does the F do? I did it. It's not working. It's just decided that it doesn't want to do this, apparently. Your Ethernet is too slow for TikTok. Oh, for microwave stations? Oh, it's probably not. Probably not. Well, I did it now, but there's just there's nothing here. Interesting, okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that one tick again. Oh, it's just too. I feel it ending Atlanta. Yep. You're not wrong. Mikowabe is gonna lose it at me. Nope. Okay. I showed you what it's meant to look like. Yep. I feel it ending. I can feel it through the screen. Yeah, to be fair, that wasn't my fault. That was not my fault at all. Shoot. Keep pressing the damn wrong thing. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. Feels a bit too much though. Stop it! Are we in range on not friend? What's up, Super? How are we doing? Yeah, Chicken Banana, it is definitely choppy. You get invited to different countries often on stream. You should start traveling and staying places for free. Lance, I can guarantee you I will be... I was honestly thinking about violent crimes going through that. I don't know what you're talking about. I had fun. Mikawave experienced this though.
Emotional damage.
Anyways, let's have a look back here at the funded. Oh my gosh, but this is literally going sideways. Yo. Why? Why? Could feel it back. I wasn't joking. You guys are being mean. Might up getting hacked up. Exactly, lads. Can't trust strangers on the internet. Okay, so ES would have been a break-even trade. Gosh, guys. This sucks. I guess this is low-key a very big Mojo Jojo trade. Just saying. It felt like you were just rage baiting me. I don't know what you're talking about. I would never do such a thing. Why would I ever do such a thing? Give me 2 seconds. Let's watch the chop go absolutely nowhere for a minute. I respect your patience. Wow. Y'all are mean. Listen here. What? Oh, they're so mean to me sometimes. Anyways, I guess the closer we get to news, the more this thing is gonna be chopping, right? Easy trends, ignore it. Hey OTT, what's up? How are we doing? Welcome to the Bully Maya session. Prices near 5-minute high, made a point from bus. Sales still in play until then. Ooh, thanks, Tyson. Oh, bye, Atlanta. Where are you going? The anchor level that built up inside me through the whole process is actually up there. OTT, you missed a lot. You've missed a lot today. Oh, damn it. Could actually potentially have another one here. Would have been a goodie. Honestly, it wasn't intentional, which made it so funny. I'm gonna 10-minute crash course. I mean, sure, we can do that. 10-minute crash course. Woo, 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 woo. No? It's like an annoying little sister thing and going, oh, thank you, everything will be chance, good, easy trades. I've been here, I just fell asleep. Wow, guys, I apparently just bore OTT so much that he falls asleep. That's okay, be like that, whatever. Whatever. Let's see. No, I'm just playing with him. That's hilarious. Let him sleep. Okay, I had a little order filled over here. Let's check though. This one's a little more risque. That one would have been a win. Oh well. I was actually too late for that one. That's fine. Yes, just stay hands off now. Be like, am I recorded? Because that might be some screaming and shouting. Because of it, that'll be freaking hilarious. I'm a growing boy, I need a rest. Oh, and milkshakes. Rest and milkshakes for the win. Coachy coach, sure, let me check my Discord. Oh, yeah, you have not sent me anything. Are you sure you're talking to the right Maya? Or did you just post something on the general chat? If not... Banana. Oh, okay, cool, wait. Oh, coach, there we go. What? Coach, that's a banger! What the heck, man? Oh, I see, using that 50%. Yeah, so the only difference with this coach is I most likely would have put the 0 level at the bottom wick. So let me show you. Let me show you what I would have done. Which means I would not have been tagged in. Oh, I didn't reject high enough up. Anyways. I'm Playboy who's sleeping to grow. Wow. Just wow. There and there. I did reject off of it, just not enough. Wow. Okay, so during London, there's not even enough momentum to move 10 points on the 5 second. Overdose, what's up? I didn't read what you were saying. My your stripes are wonderful. Thank you! Sure, dude, are you sure this is working? No. Well, let's see. Right? I'm hands off. Are you guys being mean to me still? I forget about a note. Till some props not allowed to open multiple buys or sell position in the same asset. We flagged as hedging can lead to ban if done repeatedly. People that nap during the day also angers me. Why is that? I put the 0 at the bullish low. Having women in your life makes you nap real hard. I'm trying to decide if I'm being insulted or not. I'm not actually sure. Part of me feels like I am. Anyways. Something microwavy needs to try sleeping during the day. To be fair, I can't sleep during the day unless I'm sick. It's how I know I'm sick, is when I nap during the day, then I'm like, uh-oh. Problem. I'm with OTT, you nearly chokeslammed Maya just because she couldn't click a button. Why Ninja Trader? Oh, I guess the better question is why not? Aha, here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna move it, mitigate risk. Now that we got some momentum going again. What happened? Yeah, reject off of there more. Actually, that was close to 75%. This is better as a break-even trade. There we go. Okay, that was a good one. Nice. Yeah, there's another one. Let's see. See what we get. But let's go back to go back to here. Let's see what we get. Okay, finally, crying out loud. Finally moving back up. So, coach, I probably would have made mine look like this. So it wouldn't have tagged me in. Kitty. Up we go. Still your edged people there. That's rude. Literally edged people there. I save my weekend mainly. Let's see what we get here now. Nope. Okay, no A+ setup here yet. Another day of chop. Apparently order was filled. Let's see, but this low-key looks like it's going down. Whoopsies, yep, this is going down. Tried it at this. See if we get a rejection off of it. Potentially, no, potentially not. Oh, look how flat it was at the top here. Interesting. Which means the sellers did come into play. That's the interesting thing with forward testing. You start to notice some things. Should have closed it. I was thinking it passed any point of rejection. Let's see what we get here. What's it doing on the other one? I'm 21 and I get worse hangovers than my parents. Mikowabe, so can I tell you something wild? Which I always think makes absolutely no sense. Whoa! Okie dokie then. Okay, let's go back to this. What's happening? Why are we all of a sudden getting some movement? Tapped into there, sorry. Overdose. Sleep is important, but you still should do it. Drinking low-key scares me, like a hangover seems painful. Wait, OTD, you've never had a hangover? What? Well, if you want one, you need at least 20 R and 100 trades to be having a good time, or so I think. Something like that. Screenshot the reversal pattern just before the barcoding. You go with an essay, you're allowed to drink when you turn 18. And long. Piercing W Devil. We 18 as well, but in England we start drinking at the age of 12, 13. Yeah, that sounds about right. I've never drank alcohol. What? That is so interesting. Why not? Out of curiosity. Like, well done to you guys, but why have you never had any alcohol? Or do you go to the shop right now and buy a couple? Don't start with beers. Don't start with beers. If you've never had alcohol and you start with beers, you're gonna be like, bleh. Don't start with beers. Do I trade USA? I do not, sorry. Like, we've been taking naps, doing big shots. Okay, cool. Did you get a girlfriend and take her out for drinks? Your world would change. Should start with beers? No! Why would you start with beers? No, that makes no sense. I would say you must start with like something yummy, like let me try and find it. Let me try and find what I think is yummy, because then you would actually be like, oh, this is yummy. Like this. Ah, these are good. Okay. Yeah, no, I wholeheartedly disagree. I think if you're gonna start drinking, you should, like, not advice. Just saying, if there's any youngsters, don't do this. If you are of legal age, should have this. It's like pina colada twist in a drink. It's yummy. It's yummy. Start with something yummy. Like, honestly. Or if you are going to start with the beer, at least start with like a flying fish. Like, to me, that makes more sense. Then at least you're enjoying it. If you start with beer's... like, it's fine. I could drink a beer or two, but meh. There's better things out there. Why are we trying to make someone start drinking? I don't know. Feed him. Oh, vodka, blood orange flavors, and you jam a little soda and lime. Oh gosh. God, but if I'm around people who drink, I just get an orange juice and I'm happy. Oh, TT, you're so cute. Gosh. We got pro drinkers here. Yeah, we really do. The biggest video of a drink I've ever seen. Microwave, yes, it is, and it's delicious. Okay. There's more to life than NQ, not much more, but drinking helps sometimes. My first drink was vodka in history class, 9th grade. What the heck, Atlanta? I read it's hard to control alcohol addiction, that's all. Yeah, though to be fair, I feel like you have to drink excessive amounts. Like, excessive amounts to get to that point. But it also depends, like, do you have an addictive personality or not? I'm quite fortunate I do not have an addictive personality. Pew. But, yeah. Tequila to tequila. That's the reason that they said tequila, because it's really bad. I can't do tequila. I should drink. It's yummy. Oh no. So this is. I turned it. He never opened it. Ended up giving it to my brother. ODT if I ever go to SA. Oh, Mikurovets gone to I will never ever go to SA to if I ever go to SA. Progress. Wait. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Went down first, okay. Probably would have taken that long. Sorry. I got distracted again. I'd probably get beat up for things I say. Oh, probably, yeah. Not wrong. I have an addictive personality, but now I don't like drinking enough to feel it. Never interesting. Velocity, you're long, let's see. Oh, we all just have orange juice and chicken nuggets and call it a day. Oh, GG, oh, you're so cute.
Nice.
Okay, OTT, we'll have orange juice and chicken nuggets. I like that piano matey. No, one says such never mind. Water in deep waters. Okay, you're in a long velocity. Drug is full porting. I'm reporting my microwave at OTT for starting an underground drinking lounge on YouTube. I don't know what to do. What? Lanta snitch. You all can have your chicken nuggies. No, I like my chicken nuggies. And then I'll drag you down with me and say you sat there and condoned it. Payout number 4 approved. Finally green to start of futures in Jan. Oh, Josh, well done. That is amazing. Well done. Okay, wait. Here's a very respectable whoop whoop. This chat just got unhinged. This is like yesterday with the biltong. How did we go? Why? Every day it feels like there's another weird conversation that is just happening. Yesterday it was very much with the biltong. Today now apparently it's with, have I gotten a payout? No, I have not. Chicken banana, I've not gotten a payout. I'm getting there slowly but surely. It's also why I'm trying to upgrade myself, you know, having a look at Ninja. Yeah. Are you freaking kidding me? I then missed that one. Okay. Are we ready for some more chaos during New York? I feel like chaos is definitely going to be a thing during New York. It does fascinate how people love drinking to get drunk. And if you actually nice drink, just have tastes like Dr. Pepper. Microwave 21 and knows so much, he's like 60. That's what happens. You get old, your bones start to ache, you learn to not do that. So for a while, I actually thought that I was like allergic to alcohol. Sorry, we're now having very weird conversations. What's up, Tris? I believe it's 5 over here. It's first place to go mad. Okay, you'll get your payout. I've been trading props for 6 months. Only gotten a payout last month. Aw, thanks, Chicken Banana. Trading for 6 months. Anyways, moving on. We're really here to just make babies. Who wants a baby though? Okay. Let's see. A rejection off of there. It's a decent rejection. I don't know if it was a 10-point rejection, but it did reject. Oh, sorry, I'm talking to myself again. Place there. For a buy. Let's see, another one further down actually would not have worked out, so that's fine. Not gonna win mad ever since. And a short around 9:45, New York continue down. So velocity, depending on what metal ES does before open New York. If we go up, I'm gonna try and short around 9:45 New York. If we go down, I'll try long. Oh, interesting. Okay. What is that blue squiggly? Which one? On my funded chart, Atlanta, the blue squiggly line is the VWAP. This one here. Wait, you can't see it. I'm so sorry. Just like this one. Anyways, this one here. This is the VWAP line. Mikuaba, what did you say? Good question. How long have you been trading for? Just a year now. 6 months ahead of the curve. I feel like 36 months is around the average learning curve. Oh, thank you. There we go. That makes me feel better, Lance. Thanks. I'm with you there. I was doing the same from Big Bang with Penny. You know, I just thought of that. Like, I wouldn't throw a rock at it. Yeah, 100%. You know, I've said that to people, and people are like, what do you think about kids? I'm like, I wouldn't throw a rock at it. I literally use that quote all the time. Don't know if that's a bad or good thing, but it is what it is. Well, where you want to go long? That's where my stop is for my longs right now. Velocity, really? But this is for on the 5 second. What are you on right now, Velocity? When I find someone worthy. Whoa, okay, damn. Damn, when you find someone worthy, you'll have a kid. I don't even know. I feel like there's enough humans. No? Just me? No. Okay. We're actually having debates today. Cool. Bad thing. Humans need humans to survive as age decline. Again, there's so many humans out there. So many humans. I got 3 minions. Oh, 3 minions? That is awesome. What was that app? What, this one here? Well, this is Trader. The other one is Trading View. Yeah. Ooh, that was a big drop down. Oh my gosh. What the hey diddly day happened there? Okay. See if we get a no progress. No. This is a demo account, guys. Anyone curious? This is just a demo account. Just trading on NinjaTrader, figuring it out a little bit. Trading on the 5-second chart. Okay, let's see. Oh shoot, looking up here though. It tapped into my 1 point of interest. I did actually want to... it's too late. I actually wanted to put a sell here, so I see the sell would have worked out. Sell would have been around here. Yeah. Tapped in and went down. So that went up 50%. I needed to go a little bit higher. Need a little bit more of a bigger rejection. It was a good rejection, but obviously I want a little bit more. Actually going break even. I think if it comes back down, it's gonna go down properly. Break even there. Let's see if I was wrong. Maybe it's gonna reject again off of it. I do have that set up here. Right by that push. Looks like it's gonna be a break even trade. Possibly. Okay, I closed it a tiny bit in profit. Teeny tiny bit. Let's see. See if that was a mistake to do that. I'm trying to be... Yeah. Okay, so that definitely would have been break even. However, if I did not move it to break even... Whoop, there we go. Holy moly. There we go. Nice. Sorry, rejection means a sitting rejection point and coming down. I have in between 1 million and 3. Atlanta, what did I just... What? What did you just say? What? Okay. Okay. Let's get here. Yeah. Let's see. Didn't quite go up there. Didn't quite go up there. Dun dun dun. this one would have been the best to take. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. Okay, back to the funded. What's it looking like? Ah, finally, well, we're still in that bob level. Not gonna say it's finally going somewhere, it's literally just chilling there. I joined Discord now, nice. Could be going for daily open. Niels, I mean, sure. It edged people on there, came, took out. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's put it that way. I wouldn't be surprised if it eventually does now go down, because it was really giving people hope over here and then destroyed that hope real fast. Hey Ninja, what's up? You said nice rejection. All the stock was going up, so I'm confused. Rejecting means hitting a spot of pricing coming down, not going up. If it hits a support level and rejects up off of it, it's still rejecting off of that level, isn't it? Or is there a different name? Or bouncing, maybe. I just call it rejecting because it rejects off of that point. Big Ruff, I understand what he's asking. I just didn't think that it had a name. If it's rejecting to the buy side or sell side, is it still not rejecting? Doesn't matter if it's buy or sell. Or is there a specific name, like, you know, support and resistance? That's okay, Ninja. I'm glad work is busy, though. What's up, Muji? Bounce and reject. Oh, okay. I've just always just called it rejecting, because it's rejecting off that level. Oh, that's okay, Velocity, yeah. That's okay. That makes sense then why it confused you. Okay. So I just said rejects off of a level. But you see rejection as it goes down, yes, and it bounces that it bounces off of a level. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. No, that's okay, Velocity. That's why we ask questions. I understand what you're asking, so that's fine. Is that like how it actually is? Should it be a rejection, rejects down and bounces off of a level going up? Is that correct? It's oh, so it's just always rejecting. Like me. I'm kidding. Hardly kidding. Well, what a dull day. So that's it. I mean, you could say bounce, but bounce on stupid. Oh my gosh. That's fair. Has anyone gotten in on any of the trades, by the way, or not really? No, the trades yet? No? Yes? Maybe? Oh, if it had tapped into VWAP on ES, I would have actually maybe been keen on this trade. I have VWAP, I have the 50% at the bob level, a fair value gap. I have a little bit of a shelf there as well. How much is this? If it's... It's just struggling to break. That's the only thing. I might want to take out one more time. When I take out the buy side liquidity to get the movement down. $20. I think wants to climb on ES. Heard when people say the VWAP bounce all the time. Too choppy, yeah. Struggled. $20. Back down. The only problem is ES. And we're struggling over here. I just remember when old block traders used to scream whenever it's called resistance or support zone. But didn't quite take out this liquidity. Okay. Trying to decide about this trade. The wicks to the sell side are not ideal. But clearly there are still some sellers. Respected. Oh. Risking $20. Making a lower high here though. Might want to tap back in. The VWAP line really intrigues me. Really? What about it intrigues you, Atlanta? Yeah, I'm surprised. Maybe Debbie has. Debbie, have you done that? Wouldn't be surprised if Debbie's done that. Sorry, I'm in deep thought here right now. I'm gonna cancel it because I'm not following my rules. That's the only reason. Technically, I do actually like this setup. I think it is A+, but I'm not following my rules, so... It's the only reason I cancel. I'm gonna leave it up. Let's see, maybe it works out, but yeah. I've got multiple VWAP strategies and indicators for it. It's a good strategy. There we go. Maybe this could work out really well, but like I said, I'm then not following my rules. So it's fine, it's fine. Oh, hiccups. Okay. Great, now my energy just will come. It's getting ready for a big move. My HD is going crazy. Trade addict, big move, wait, up or down? I'm assuming you're thinking up, right? I feel like I do better when I care less. I actually don't know. Manolo, what kind of breakfast do I like? I have no idea, just food. Just food is good. Trade addict, you're thinking down. Ugh, I'm probably gonna regret not taking this trade, but it's fine. Let's see. Literally have the words "do not care" on my board at work desk. Really? I shouldn't bounce off it. Thank me later. I'll take it for you. Let's see. Oh, you got filled? I would not have been filled. Velocity, I would not have been filled yet. What the heck? How did you get filled? Come to Greece. What is a gyro pizza? Do I want to know? Ah, why does it look so yummy? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. Thanks, now I'm very hungry. Guess what I'm gonna do when I end this stream? I'm gonna go freaking eat. Wow. Okay. That does look yummy. What was funny? What did I miss? Like, come to Greece. Maybe. Oh my gosh, that wouldn't have tagged me in. That's so rude. You're in the velocity, right? $5.55. Don't worry, soon you'll be in real winter. No. Hey, Brenda, what's up? Yep, I added a few ticks under your level. Wow, I'm going to come from you since then. I'm just happiness. At least you'll eat well, you know? That's fair. At least I'll get Nami food first. I missed the entry in the joke.
That's what she said.
Well, I guess you're welcome, Velocity? What the heck? Okay then. Okay then, whatever. Yeah, maybe worth it. Yeah. You're welcome, I got you. Bruh, I can't believe it. Okay, whatever. Would have missed me, but Velocity got a nice little win there. You know I don't miss. That was good. Ah, that was good. Okay. I can't picture myself- wait. No. I can't picture myself getting something now. Unfortunately. To be fair, this would low-key still be valid. Huh. Interesting. Okay, it's fine. Wow, I'm sorry, what did I do? Okay, I feel like I'm saying the wrong things today. I'm gonna call it there for today. Where is Louis to defend his man? You guys are funny. Oh, bad. Okay, I'm calling it. You guys are bullying me today. But it's okay. It's fine. Whatever. I will be back for New York. Pity about this. Oh well. Oh well. I'm a little bit salty now, so let's call it now that I'm salty. I will be back then, New York session. Hopefully by then you guys will sit and think about what you've done and stop bullying me. No, you're probably gonna bully me more. Anyway, it's okay. You're thinking too much, there's no need to think. Anyways, moving on. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Let's see, I suspect that New York is going to be insane. Insane. So let's get this. Ugh, I'm sitting like a shrimp. I'm so sorry. Let's get this party started. I'm excited. We can't stop. No, you guys will never stop bullying me. It's okay. I've accepted my fate. I love you guys. Trade safe. Be back New York session. Yeah. For those of you trading FOMC, good luck. Good luck. I'm gonna hop back on the charts later and be like, whoa. Okay. Be safe, guys. I love